Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password. In case you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones, then how do you recover it? We will see that. This idea has been recommended by one viewer. Unfortunately, he has lost his device and due to losing of his device now, he's not in the positions to the rescue of his area, and of course he was extremely exhausted and recommended to the rescue. Sure. Now we don't have any information about Santisari, even if don't have recovery email and recovery phones. But however, let's try. Firstly, we will execute to by a normal method, by a general method, and then we will apply the advanced method to the rescue of it. So just to see here, this is ID particulars. This is asking the enter your password as usually asking. Now it's asking last password. Second option has been given. Third option is given the phone number. We don't have a mobile. Now, fourth one is especially that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. Google asking this information to the keep your account secure. So, if you would like to rescue from this account, then answer this question. So, second is that if your account is managed with any alternative emails, then this can be the possible that we have the sense enable to the parents to the change your password. This is also not the possible from my side. So, just we will cut it from here. Now, let's impose advanced technique to rescue from this in the particular idea. Just we will come now. Play Store to a search bar to of course here we will open that is a ULA browser. We will go for installation of it. So now see here it has started to install. So here is installing to this. On the other hand, we will have to apply 2-3 techniques here. Just we will come in especially this Google browser. We will click on this, hold, and then we will come the app info to of course we will have to come the permissions to of course we will make it notification off, then we will come the permissions to of course we will come on a special location, make the customize the precise location by tapping to off, then click here don't allow. So if you don't allow, it's a sanction that if you deny this permission, the basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. For timing, I'm doing it, guys. So just we will tap on it, not a permanence. So take any smartphones, apply this strategy and see the result. And also, don't forget to admire and share of these contents. Now see here, just we will click on this and check it out in that. Remove the permission and the free face page that should be disabled, and thereupon of course we will back and here just we will come the open defaults and here open supported links that should be disabled. So now what we will do guys here, just to cut it from here, then we have the another browser that is especially I'm the Chrome. Check it out how many browser you are using except recently that you are going to install it, that's Ula browser. So now here what we will do, just we will come the permission once again, then the permission here what we will have to free up a space that we will have to make it disable, make the come on a special and the locations, make the precise location off, and then we'll have to tap to a special element don't allow anyway. So now we will have to back one more times and make it notification that should be disabled. So then this ones now we will have to go for once again this browser and check it out so that 100% it has been installed. So install 7 I'm the 3%, I'm the 30% is the remaining store the complete installation. So let it complete installs and upon the further we will go for here little bit it is taking the much more times to the installation, maybe a server disturbance or downloading speed the quite less space time the slow on the space time the devices. So now take any smartphones, either it is old one or new one, Android or smarts. This procedure can be applicable only when on Android or smartphones guys here. So now 10% is the remaining, so we will have to wait here to complete installation. So firstly it's a downloading, then it will insert to the installs and thereupon of course the further we will see here without having the recovery email and recovery. Don't worry, either your device has been hacked. Sure, your Gmail has been hacked or hijacked or stolen by summon your Gmail password. In this situation, this will be highly effective to the risk of it quickly, and you can is create by your own desire the password. So now here it has been installed, so let's tap to the open on it. So now that we came on here, we'll have to accept the term and condition, guys. So let's click on it. Now here what we will do, just we will go for here, we will go for here, we will go for here, finish. And now this page has been directly on this, and here nothing, just we will come on a right tap to a space line Google, and that one of course will go out. So now when we tap on a Google's, you would be directly on this link, and now see here, just we will tap to on this, and when we taps, we will tap on a sign in on the green dot here, and upon we will tap on it, and we will write a particular ID that we would like to rescue. Sure. Now we will click on this next, and when we tap to the next, then what's going to happen? We will see here. Now see here, it is asking password, guys. First we will click on a forgot password. Now once again we will go for especially here, try another way. Now here it's a United States verified number, guys. Last one 63 digit, but we don't have phone numbers. If it is possible that if you know the phone number, then you get an OTP and easily this can be the rescue here. Sure, this is more options. Just we will click here, don't have. So now here we can see that we have a three possibility. The one is especially answer as many questions as you can, and of course as you can, and use the device where you have to shine in the before, and the third is that alternative email or family links, and then we have the sensitive truth. But fourth one is see here, more tips to other scope this accounts. If this is a coming, if it comes, then surely this accounts can be the rescue without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. So can I click on this? No. Just smartly we will tap on the setting to, of course we will have to come in a Google services and the preferences here. When we tap on it, on three dot, just we will tap to the help options. On there, here we will have options, and that is especially click on this, and here write a hacked Gmail the recovery. So this one we will pick. Now here we will have option that secure, hacked or compromised Google accounts. So of course we will tap on it. So that when we tap, then you would be here. Just we will click in a review your account activities. Here is the find out if your account has been hacked. Just tap on it, and when we tap, then see here you would be on this. These taps to the can the rescue. Now here check it out so that you are on a right recovery page or not. So by here scroll up and check it out there. Create a replacement Google account, and second is that avoid getting locked out of your Gmail account. So the both thing is a coming, then we will click on this account recovery page, and you will be directly on this here on the recovery page. Now what we will do, guys, here just we will tap on within one click, and this area would be recommended. Just we will go for next and see here what's going to happen here. Automatically this area has been rescued without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. How it is possible? Just apply this strategy, highly effective. And also after recovery, don't forget to admire this content. Also share this content, and anyone who's having this kind of the challenges, then they can be the privileged by especially this information, guys. Now here in excitement, don't click on update password. Sorry, don't click on a continue. Just we will have to go for update password, and there we can see here we will have the strong opportunity to create password, confirm password, and go for save it. After saving, of course, we'll go in especially after creating, then we'll go in Google account management. In there, security in option would be there. In security in tab and thereupon, we will have add recovery emails. So firstly, we will add a alternative emails as a recovery number, as a recovery special email, and thereupon, after having the OTP on that, of course, we can easily remove recovery phone number that was already added, especially, and then we will add a new phone number. This side will be permanently secured. Then enjoy that. Further, we cannot show you because this is a privacy concern of my viewer, and he was highly, especially exhausted with the risk, and he was in the anxiety because there are some urgent data and privacy concern about this. So this is all about, guys. For more inquiry, of course, blindly drop the query in the comments box and the plus would be mine. And if you're unable to execute this all, then drop your Gmail below the comment box. We will pick and the rescue. But there should be any objections that if I disclose your ID in a public domain on this channel, so then after the rescue, then of course we will deliver to you. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.